Hello everyone and welcome to this Java tutorial. Today I will be teaching you how to use conditional loops in Java. The three types of loops used in Java include while loops, do-while loops, and for loops. Today I will focus on while loops. I will teach you how to use while loops by making a guessing game. This game will ask the user to guess a number between 1 to 10 until they get the right answer. The first thing I will do is import the scanner class java dot util dot scanner semicolon and then initialize your scanner object. To do that, write scanner input equals new scanner parentheses system dot in close parentheses and semicolon. Now create an integer variable that will store the value of the answer the user will have to guess. To do that, write integer int answer equals. You can choose any number you want. I will choose 7 and semicolon. We also have to create a guess variable that will store the value the user will enter. Put that as equal to 0 because it does not have any value right now. Make a print statement that asks the user for a value. Write system dot out dot print parentheses enter a number between 1 and 10 colon close quotations close parentheses semicolon. Under that write guess equals input dot next int parentheses semicolon. Next we will use if statements to compare the value the user enters to the answer. Here I have made three if statements accounting for all the possible scenarios. If the guess is lower than the answer, then the system will print your guess is too low. If the guess is higher, then it will print the guess is too high. But if the guess is equal to the answer, it will print your guess is correct. Compile your program and save it. Then when you click run, you can see that we have a message and a text box. Here you can enter any number. So let's say 3. Since 3 is lower than 7, it prints your guess is too low. But after that, the program is terminated. We want the computer to constantly ask the user until they get the right answer. Here we will use while loops. The syntax for the while loop looks something like this. We write the keyword while and then we have a Boolean expression. If this expression is true, only then the instructions inside will be executed. If this expression is false, then the program will skip all these instructions and move on to the next. Now let's start to decide what instructions we want to repeat. I want the prompt, the message, to repeat every single time the user guesses wrong. So I will put that between the curly brackets of the while loop. I will put these two if statements inside the while loop because I want the user to know if their guess is too high or too low every single time they guess wrong. I want this loop to run only when the guess is not equal to the answer. So to do that, write guess exclamation mark equals answer. This means that whenever the guess is not equal to the answer, these statements will be executed. And as you can see, we have said that the answer is 7 and guess is 0. So this statement will indeed run. But when the user guesses the right answer, the program will break through and print the statement. Also, we can remove these if statements because there is nothing else to print here. Now compile your program again and click run. You can see that the output is similar, but when you enter the wrong answer and hit enter, you can see that it tells you that your guess is too low and reruns the whole program. And if I enter a number too high, it tells me that my number is too high and reruns the code. But when I enter the right answer, the answer is 7, and click enter, the program says your guess is correct and stops the program because there is nothing after that instruction. While loops can be very useful. In my next video, I will show you how to make a do-while loop, which will ask the user if they want to play again or not. If you want to add a challenge to this game, you can change the answer to a random number. so even you won't know the answer. This can be a very fun game to play.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help me reach 100 subscribers on this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like button as I want to reach 100 likes.